Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Uma, happy 50th birthday. Sisters are bound to quarrel and fight, but let there be a truce for this special day as it is your birthday. Love you, my dear Uma, and happy birthday. Happy birthday to you, my dear Uma. Also accept this as a in celebration from Kalpana. Thank you.
ஹாய் உமா, அன்பே வடிவமாய் ஆர்வத்துடன் இல்லறத்தை ஈடு இணையின்றி நடத்தி செல்லும் என் அருமை சகோதரியே, நீ அரை நூற்றாண்டை கால் வைக்கிறாய்,
அரை நூற்றாண்டை எட்டி பிடித்திருக்கிறாய். இல்ல உட்கார்ந்தே பிடிச்சிட்டியா?
வாழ்க வளமுடன், நோய் நொடியின்றி 100 ஆண்டுக்கும் மேலாக வாழ ஆசீர்வதிக்கிறோம். Many happy returns of the day, Uma. May God bless you with all your success.
Enjoy yourself. Many happy returns of the day.
All the best.
Happy birthday to you. எங்கள் வீட்டு கடை குட்டி 50 வயதை தொடங்குகிறது. என்னுடைய heartful ஆசீர்வாதம். God bless you, my dear child. You are still to my child only.
Hi auntie, wish you happy birthday. We all love you. May God shower lot of blessings to you auntie. We miss you all. Have a fabulous year auntie. Happy birthday from Kutti as well.
Happy birthday to
Happy
you.
50th birthday, Uma.
Anand.
Take care.
Hi Uma, congratulations on your 50th birthday. Yeah, you are grown in age and size as well, but whatever may be, you are still my own little sister. Even if you are 50 years, you are the same 5-year-old. You remember the days I used to hold my hand, and then we run to the railway station to get into the train. I walk you down to your Holy Cross Convent, drop you at the gate, and then again pick you up in the evening, almost every day. I remember all that. So it's nice that you let me know that you are 50 years old. Don't worry, a long way to go. But still, you are my affectionate, loving sister. Yeah, and you remain that way. Okay, and thanks to Ravi and others, Raghav as well, celebrating this important day. Yeah, and take care of your health. Take care and be happy and celebrate nicely. Right. Once again, congratulations and best wishes for your healthy and happy life, and be as a family. Thanks
Happy
very much.
birthday, Uma auntie. Wish you all the best. Hope you have a lovely year ahead.
Hello, Ma. Cheers to 50 years. The more you praise and celebrate your life, the more there is in life to celebrate. Remember, and let the party begin. Happy birthday, Ma.
Hi, Uma. How are you?
Hi Uma, how are you? Many more happy returns of the day. And Uma Kutti 50 yearsங்கிறது நம்பவே முடியல. You are entering into 5th digit. You will live your own life henceforth. Whatever you want to do, நீ பண்ணு. அதை உனக்கு இருக்கிற பெஸ்ட் குவாலிட்டிஸ் மற்றவங்கள்ட்ட நிறைய கிடையாது. உனக்கு பொய் பேச தெரியாது, யாரை பார்த்தாலும் அப்படியே நம்பிடுவேன். இந்த மாதிரியான குவாலிட்டிஸ்லாம் இருக்கும்போது மற்றவங்கெல்லாம் உன்னை பார்த்து ரொம்பவே பயப்படுவாங்க. சின்ன குழந்தையாக இருக்கும்போது எல்லாரையும் பார்த்து முறை குட்டி கண்ணத்தை கிள்ளினது இதெல்லாம் தான் ரொம்ப ஞாபகத்துக்கு வருது. இன்றைக்கும் ராதி உன்னை கூட்டிட்டு ஸ்கூலுக்கு உன் பேக்கை எடுத்துகிட்டு ஓடி போனது, நீ அந்த ட்ரெயினில் அந்த குட்டியாக ஏறி உட்காந்தது, எல்லோரும் குட்டி உமான்னு உன்னை தூக்கி கொஞ்சினது, அதெல்லாம் அப்படியே இட் இஸ் கிரீன் இன் மை மெமரி. அண்ட் நீ
பசுமரத்தாணி போல் பதிந்திருந்தது.
பதிந்திருக்கு. அதுக்கப்புறம் உன்னோட செல்ஃப்லெஸ் ஆட்டிடியூட், அதாவது நீ செல்ஃபிஷ்னஸ்ங்கிறது உங்ககிட்ட கிடையவே கிடையாது. மற்றவங்களுக்காக நல்லா விட்டு கொடுப்ப. அப்புறம் நீ லவ்விங் நேச்சர், நீ இருக்கிற இடத்துல ரொம்ப கலகலப்பாக இருக்கும். இந்த மாதிரியான குவாலிட்டிஸ் எல்லார்கிட்டையும் இத்தனை வயசுக்கு அப்புறமும் இருக்குன்னு சொல்ல முடியாது. ஸ்டில் யூ ஆர் அ சைல்ட், யூ ஆர் a child is within you. That is why still you are happy and you are making all others also happy. And you are really a treasure. Me more than a sister, we both are friends. அதனால தான் மேபி அவர் பாண்ட் இஸ் இன் சச் அ வே தட் அது என்ன சொல்கிறது, சண்டை போட்டு என்ன பண்ணினாலும் அது பிரிக்க முடியாதது. என்ஜாய் பண்ண. வாட் எவர் யூ வாண்ட் டு டூ ஆன் திஸ் ஸ்பெஷல் டே யூ டூ இட். நல்லா என்ஜாய் பண்ணு. மெனி மோர் ஹாப்பி ரிட்டர்ன்ஸ் ஆஃப் த டே. பிறந்த நாள் நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். நீங்கள் சொல்லுங்கள். జన్మ ಇಲ್ಲ పుట్టిన రోజు
ಶುಭಾಕಾಂಕ್ಷೆಗಳು. ಜನ್ಮದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ಶುಭಕಾಮನಾ. ಜನ್ಮದಿನದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು.
ಹುಟ್ಟು ಹಬ್ಬದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು.
ಜನ್ಮ ದಿವಸನಿ ಶುಭಕಾಮನಾ.
ವಾದ ದಿವಸಾಚ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ್ ಶುಭೇಚ್ಛಾ.
பிறந்தநாள் ஆசம்சைகள்.
Happy birthday, Uma. Enjoy. I love you. I love you. I love you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Uma auntie.
I hope you have lots of fun. You have a special message, right? That you
Yes,
practiced for
I
5
have.
hours.
That is why this video got delayed,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
I have a special message for you, Uma auntie. Wait, let me remember. Periyandanal Valtakul. Correct?
I don't know. Let them decide.
Okay. Wish you a very happy birthday and have fun. Hope to meet you soon.
Bye. Take care.
Hey Uma, I thought it very appropriate that I would send birthday wishes to an extraordinary woman in an extraordinary way. So with the COVID mask on, happy birthday, have a great day. I'm outside taking my extraordinary pets for a walk. Unfortunately, I can't point the camera towards them because one you can't see and the other is yanking my arm out of its socket. However, congratulations, have a great day and wish you all the very best.
Hi Uma, wish you a very happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Uma. Happy birthday to you. I wish you a very healthy, happy, peaceful life, a long life and a wonderful year ahead. And this is a great thing Ravi has initiated. So I wish you both lots of love and romance and togetherness. Happy birthday.
Bye Uma, happy birthday. Have a wonderful year ahead. God bless you with lots of happiness and good health. Take care.
Very happy birthday, Uma. Have a great day. I miss your nice smile. So be happy and always keep smiling. And hope to see you soon in Singapore. And somebody else also wants to join me to wish you.
Happy birthday,
Uma. We miss you. Have a nice day.
Many, many happy returns of the day. A very happy birthday to you. You're very dear and special. Keep up your smile and your innocent self. Always be happy. Wishing you a wonderful year ahead. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Uma. Happy birthday to you. Uma. Happy birthday to you. Uma. Happy birthday to you. Uma. Happy birthday to you.
Hey Uma. Happy birthday, lovely, simple human being, great host, and a smiley person. Have a lovely day and a fab year ahead. God bless you. All the best.
நான் ஒரு தடவை சொன்னா 100 தடவை சொன்ன மாதிரி. Happy birthday to you.
You have reached a golden milestone now. All the very best. Have a wonderful day. God bless you.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Uma aunty. Have a fantastic day and a wonderful year ahead.
Have a very blessed and safe day.
Wish you a very happy birthday. Congratulations on your half-century innings. Have lots of fun with love and blessings from me, my husband, and my family. Bye. Have a good day.
Happy birthday. I hope you have a great day. We'll definitely celebrate your milestone next year. Have a great day. I miss you.
Hi Uma, happy birthday. I hope you have the best day today. We miss you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Uma. Many more happy returns of the day. Retain your childishness as it is for many more years to come. The perfect host that you are.
And this jasmine is for you. God bless you. Can I forget that divine coffee you gave me after a long journey 5 years back?
Hope we'll meet soon. Come over. Love to have you both here. Once again, many more happy returns of the day. God bless you both. Bye.
Hi, my one and only Sishya Uma. Cannot believe you are already 50. Many more happy returns of the day. Cannot forget the happy moments we had in your house during all our get-togethers. Hope to have one more to celebrate your half century. Enjoy.
Wish you a very happy birthday and a prosperous future. Thank you.
Hi Uma, wish you a very happy birthday. What an opportunity. Stay smiling, stay this way, stay young, stay quirky. Have a fabulous year and most important, keep up your spirit. Stay smiling at all times. Wish you a very happy birthday and a great year ahead.
Happy returns of the day on this memorable milestone birthday, Uma. I find your simplicity and innocence very endearing. You have this unique ability to put anyone at ease, and I found you very easy to get familiar with. Please don't ever change. Have a fabulous year ahead, and may you really have the best of everything. Have a great year ahead. God bless you.
Wonderful rocking 50th birthday. Have fun, enjoy, and keep troubling Ravi. God bless you, dear. Uma, you have a unique personality. You enjoy jokes even if it's on you. All our GTGs have been real fun at your house or anywhere. And even if most of the jokes are on you, still you laugh along with us and enjoy it too. Great trait indeed. Even though we are Ravi's schoolmates, you have accepted us the way we are and have become close to all of us. The coffee you serve at home is worth the trouble of coming to your house from Ananagar. Uma to Uma, take care.
Hi, Uma. Wishing you a very happy birthday and many more. Have a great time with your family. After all this COVID-19, let's meet and let's celebrate.
Hi Uma, happy birthday. Happy special 50th birthday. Have a blast. And the 50 பக்கத்தில் இருக்க 0 கட் பண்ணிடலாம், நமக்கு வேண்டாம். ஸோ உனக்குள்ளே இருக்க அந்த 5 year old ஜாஸ்தி வெளியில் கொண்டு வா. Be happy. God bless you with all happiness, health, good health in the coming years.
Hi Uma. Happy 50th birthday to you. Be happy. You are always an ultimate woman for me. Though you are very emotional, but you are very innocent and sometimes very kiddish. Always be like this, young and happy, with lot of emotions. Forget and forgive. Wish you a many more happy returns of the day. A happy years to go ahead. God bless you always. Keep in touch always. Consider this as a personal message and a live message. Thank you.